So I'm at this place called Crippled Spider Ranch.
Man, that's Alma right there holding it down. And that's the Wyatt. We got the Riley Wyatt right here. He said if it goes south, I gotta jump over this barbed wire fence. Just cruising with the local grocer, Wyatt. Wyatt asked if I would like to look at the menu for tomorrow night. Oh, and there's a goat. That's tonight's menu, tomorrow night's menu. It's a great job skinning this thing.
We'll bake it. We'll give you some Dutch oven tomorrow over an open fire. We'll do a hind quarter with carrots, peas, potatoes, green beans, corn, onions.
You guys all hear that? Only at Crippled Spider Ranch. We cruising, Bubba. Just got our own meat. Chopped off our own goat leg and thigh today, boys. I don't think Wyatt ever stops on this ranch. I think he just keeps on working. And he keeps on working. Do you have Energizer batteries, Wyatt?
No.
Because you just keep on going.
Coffee.
Coffee. That is it.
Coffee is your friend.
You just splitting some wood right now?
Yeah, this is aromatic cedar.
Aromatic cedar. It's got some of that pig's ass rub. That's the secret.
That's what it is.
Got some corn soaked in water right over the fire. Wyatt says it steams that corn right up. We out here messing around today. They're catching their own chickens out here right now. They bought themselves a half a dozen. Wyatt said, come out here and pick your own. Knowing how to catch a chicken? Said, give me the net. Let's go. This is how we do it. They living off that grid. It's Jezebel and Zeus. What's up, Jezebel?
DLR. Hi, guys.
These little pellet treats.
You do 15-minute stands. If they're not there in 15 minutes, go to the next one. But when you're laying perfectly still, you can say, okay, it's been 10 minutes and actually been 3.
Right. I bet. Yeah.
Standard. Yellow check. There's not one in the pipe. There's one there, but the clip's loaded.
Yeah.
Okay. Now there's not a bullet in it. Unless you go like this, there's no way a bullet will get in. And I says, the thing I like about this gun, see it says Desert Eagle. It's supposed to say baby eagle.
How cool is that?
And I say the thing I like about this gun is you can put your finger behind the trigger.
Fully.
And that way, when you got them by the collar and you're conducting the interview and teeth and slobber is flying all over the place, there's no chance you're going to blow their ear off and it ends the interview. And it's just the perfect way because a gun too big, whew, they turn into sacked potatoes. The interview's over. Doesn't too light. You're sitting there bit slapping. You're going to get their fucking attention. But the weight on this is perfect. And he's like, who the fuck's he out here to fucking tell me?
We all out here today, the boys. We're getting ready to open up that table. That man right there, Wyatt, is bringing down the house, man. Bringing down the house. Wyatt and his damn 29 again. This guy's making it fun. Wyatt just hit it again for a 3rd time.